In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify using the 2024 beginner method. This is a straightforward and efficient way to ensure you're tracking all the essential data to optimize your shop's performance. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify store. Once you've accessed the dashboard, you'll land on the homepage of your store. It's important to familiarize yourself with this dashboard as it's the central hub for managing all aspects of your online business. Now let's head over to the settings. Click on the settings option, which is typically located in the lower left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find various options to fine-tune your store's features and integrations. Within the settings menu, look for the section titled Apps and Sales Channels. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage the apps and sales channels you have currently integrated with your Shopify store, and it's where we'll begin to integrate the Facebook Pixel. Next, navigate to the Shopify App Store. You can do this easily by clicking on the Shopify App Store link in your Apps section. The App Store is a powerful tool that hosts thousands of applications ready to enhance your store's functionality. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to type in Facebook Pixel. This will direct you to a list of relevant applications that can facilitate the integration between your Shopify store and Facebook. Look for the application labeled Facebook Pixel Conversion KPI. This is the app we will be using to connect your Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store. Click on the application to access its page. After clicking on the Facebook Pixel Conversion KPI app, you'll want to click on the Install button. By installing this app, you're enabling the use of Facebook's Conversion API, which allows you to track more detailed data about your customers' interactions with your store. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the installation process. You might be asked to provide permissions or authenticate your account to complete the setup. Make sure to allow any necessary permissions to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it, your Facebook Pixel is now connected to your Shopify store. This connection will enable you to track consumer behavior, conversions, and data that are critical for optimizing your marketing campaigns. Keep in mind that using Facebook's Conversion API through Shopify provides more than just basic tracking, allowing for a detailed understanding of your customers' journeys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through connecting the Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store. With this integration in place, you'll be well equipped to analyze your data and make informed decisions to grow your business.